gave a yawn. He looked around and gave a shout. Time to splash and waddle out. Quack, 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 I'm on my way. I'm gonna have a splishy-splashy day. Wiggle, wiggle, and a waddle, and a sunny smile. I'll be quacking down the river in a little while. He met a frog who liked to jump, and a turtle doing a thumpy thump. They danced around and had some fun underneath the morning sun. Quack, 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 come play with me. We'll sing and laugh so joyfully. With a hop and a splash and a happy tune, we'll be quacking through the day till the rising moon. The little duck spun round and round, flapping feet upon the ground. He shook his tail, he gave a cheer. All my friends are gathered here. Quack, 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 what a day it's been. We've played and danced with all our kin. Now the stars are peeking in the sky. Time to rest and say goodbye. The little duck closed both his eyes, dreaming of lakes and butterflies. He whispered soft and gave a sigh. Tomorrow I'll quack and fly so high.